Hey guys, today I'm making a chickpea flour pancake or besan chila as it's known in North India. It looks like a vegetable omelette and it's perfect for vegetarians, people looking to lose weight, or for people who are looking to avoid eggs. It can be made as thick as a pancake or as thin as a crepe, depending on what you prefer. Chickpea flour or gram flour has more good fat and protein than wheat flour. This recipe is flavorful, nutritious, low in calories, and protein rich. And because of this, it can be used as part of a weight loss diet. It's ideal as a filling breakfast, light snack, or dinner. It has a low glycemic index, so it helps burn calories faster. It's also suitable for those suffering from diabetes or high cholesterol. Gram flour is vegan, gluten-free, and loaded with protein. 100 grams contains 22 grams of protein, 11 grams of fiber, zero cholesterol, and good amounts of potassium, iron, vitamin B6, and magnesium. This is what makes these pancakes a delicious choice for a healthy diet. If you'd like to make them ahead of time, simply mix the batter without the salt, store it in the fridge, and use as needed. You can add the salt on in the pan or on your plate. If you'd like the batter to be thinner, simply add in more water till it reaches your desired consistency. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to give this recipe a try and leave any requests for future videos in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!